Okay, so now let's again start with the new use case, which is like the queuing management. Okay, so let's say that if you really wanted to use this into the real life system, so wherever, let's say that there is a conveyor belt, right? So there is also a queue. So the object, you are supposed to count the object which is present inside the queue. Okay, so for that you need to define the reason. Similarly, let's say that it can be actually used in a lot of hotel management system, or let's say in a parking management system, right? Where you actually like drawing the queue, and then all the car is supposed to be like systematically queue across one after one, right? So in this way, how can you basically solve this issue via computer vision? Okay, so we are supposed to use again the same thing, which is like the Ultralytics solution queuing management thing. Okay, so let me just hop back to the code and show you. As you can see, let's say that I am supposed to take the airport conveyor belt. Okay, so if I just going to take, and inside this, first of all, I need to, like, in order to draw the reason, I need to first take the first frame, right? So as you have already following my previous lecture, so you would have known that I will be using the OpenCV video capture to like to extract my first frame from this video. Okay, so let me just copy path. Okay, and now this is where my frame is getting saved. Okay, so this is where my frame is getting saved. Okay, and now I need to first draw the reason. Okay, so let's say that this is my reason. So what I'm supposed to do is that again I will go to my RoboFlow and try to drag and drop this part, right? This image. Let me drag and drop here, and let me try to make a reason, right? So let me try to make a reason here. So where I should make, so that the queue should be good. Let me draw a polygon. Okay, so this one is better, this one, yeah, this is good, and I think this reason is well and good, right, for like queue system. So this is the coordinate I got. Okay, I will copy this coordinate, I will paste it over here. So I will go to my queue management.py file. So again I will be using this from the Ultralytics solution. I will be using the queue manager. Okay, so inside this I'm supposed to pass my reason, right? So here actually I'm passing the reason. So let's say that this has to be my reason. So the reason has to be 133 169 133 169, then 9 209, and then 178 628, and then 349. So this is the fourth coordinate, right? So 349 and 307. Cool. So now this is okay. So I have got my reason here. Okay, and from the queue I will be counting the object, right? So, and let me pass the video, this video here, this one, let me pass it. Okay, and I think everything is well and good, the same thing, right? Now what I'm supposed to do, again run this queue management .py file, and you will see the number of object count, right? So how many number of object is present inside the queue, okay, and how many actually are going out. So in this case you can actually try to use the queue management in any of the system. Now suppose that if you have something, let's say a big queue of people is standing in a hotel, right? And if you really wanted to make a computer vision solution where the camera is installed at the top at some particular angle, and you really wanted to like properly like manage all these people, right, who are actually present in the queue, or who are actually like going into the another queue. Okay, so you can basically track that people. So in this way you can actually try to apply these kind of a thing into the real life implementation. Thank you.